First, I would like to share that even if you don't celebrate the Christmas holiday, whatever holiday or event that you do take part in, you can apply these basic ornament DIYs to that as well. Next, I would like to share that in this video, you may see some of those ornaments a little bit more embellished. That's because I have been working on this video for quite some time. So I did embellish on these ornaments, and keep in mind that I did say these are great basics for getting started with making your own ornaments. So for the words and the designs on the disc, I used a Sureponder glue gun, and also I used that fabric adhesive paint. And while it was still wet, I then put the glitter on top of the script words or design. I give a shout out to my daughter, you guys, who cut out the majority of those cardboard circles for me. So big ups to her. She does not really enjoy doing a lot of crafts, but she was a trooper in cutting out all those circles for me. So thank you. So if I have not mentioned it before, you guys, I have had this paint, this tube of paint called Allure. Little did I know, wasn't aware that it was by E6000, and it is an adhesive glossy paint. And I had it in my drawer over 3 years. I was glad to know that it was sealed. That way it worked just like I just bought it yesterday. That is what I'm using for the other type of ornaments that I did script on and designs on. And whatever glitter I went over that brown paint, it didn't matter. That glitter color is what came through. So I was excited for that. However, this puffy paint works much the same way. So if you guys remember this one ornament on my thumbnail, it did not have this diamond confetti on it. So again, these are a work in progress, many of my ornaments, but I wanted to get the basics rather out, so that you guys can come up with your own individual ideas as well. That being said, you guys, I have been working on this video for almost 3 weeks, but at least I made the goal to absolutely get it out by August. Okay, you guys, so I'm just going to let the rest of the video play out. I think it's very much so self-explanatory. However, if there are any questions, please go ahead and leave a question in the comment section. You guys, if you've enjoyed the content that I put out, please express that by liking and subscribing to my channel. I would appreciate that very, very much. And as always, you guys stay safe and healthy as possible. And I thank you for your time, because truly, truly, I know it is non-refundable. You guys take care. Bye-bye.